If you're at all like me, you have an incredible need for some optimism right now. It's not just the political violence this past weekend that makes things feel dark, makes things feel grim. This whole election year has been a mess. Something that seems very much in sync with the tone of the country. But today I heard a different tone, a tone that made me feel that the end of the world is not on the table, and it comes from someone who'd know, someone whom I have tremendous respect for, not just as the chairman and CEO of BlackRock, the world's largest investment manager, but as the guy who may have the greatest knowledge base of anyone on Wall Street, and that's Larry Fink. Listen to what he had to say today about our markets.
We have the most dynamic capitalistic system in the world. We have great company. We have great ingenuity, great technology. Let it unbound, let it go, create great jobs, create opportunities, and we'll have a rising equity market that will really fuel this opportunity.
What a breath of fresh air. Fink's an optimist. He recognizes that we must encourage growth because without growth, our government will be overwhelmed by its debts. Business needs to be more unfettered, less regulated in order to generate that growth. When you look at the trillions of dollars in debt, he says we cannot tax our way out of this burden. The deficit is a huge lurking problem, but we can grow our way out of it, maybe with companies using the wonders of AI, interrogating the data, and making themselves more productive. Larry came to Squawk on the Street on a very good day because at this moment of intense political division, we need a neutral, calm voice who can explain how capitalism is a force for good, a force for wealth generation, not just for the rich, but for everybody as long as they invest. He believes in something that's in incredibly short supply. He believes in hope. Listen to what he said about Saturday's events.
And what happened this weekend is a tragedy. It is a statement of America today, though. We need to create hope. All of us have a responsibility. Every political candidate, every leader, every pastor, minister, rabbi, we all have a responsibility of bringing our community together to bring hope. And that's what we are here for, to bring hope.
As tough as it might be, I think you can't invest successfully without a certain level of hope. If you don't have some hope, then you'll be shaken out of potentially great investments by passing fears. As someone who runs a portfolio connected to a charitable trust, I'd like for you to own some individual stocks, and that's the craft we teach in the Investing Club. But I don't care what you invest in, as long as you invest. Heck, Larry said today that he now favors investing in Bitcoin, perhaps as a way to hedge against deficit. I get that, too. No matter what happened this weekend, no matter what happens in November, you must have some faith in capitalism to help grow your wealth. That's why I salute BlackRock and I salute Larry Fink for thinking bigger than just the quarter. He's thinking about giving you some excellent options to try to help you make a lot of money. But if you don't have hope, if you don't believe at least a little bit, then it just won't matter. I like to say there's always a bull market somewhere. I promise try to find it just for you right here on Mad Money. I'm Jim Cramer. See you tomorrow. Last call starts now.